What's going on, traders? So in today's episode, we are going to be learning how to use TD Ameritrade's ThinkorSwim platform. We're going to be talking about how to download it and kind of just how to set up watch lists and set up alerts and stuff like that. All right, stay tuned. The very first thing you guys have to do is go on ThinkorSwim download, and you're going to want to click on this second link right here. And as you click on it, you can open your account and you can actually get, learn all about it, the ins and outs of it, All right, and then let's scroll down a little more here, and there's going to be a download button right here. So you're going to want to click that and download it to your computer. And so as you get it loaded up, this is what you're gonna see. This is gonna be your default settings right here. And so let's go to charts. All right, so this is actually where you will place almost all of your trades here, and you guys can customize this however you'd like. So I like mine. I like a big one up on top, similar to this. Let's get rid of one here, and let's change the gadget there. All right, so let's make this a tad bigger here, so like that, and let's get rid of this. So you're going to want to click this, and this means you're saved in. So now how to connect each one of these, so you're looking at all of the same stuff. You're going to want to do whatever color you choose. You will link all of them together like such, and then you're going to want to clean this up on this side, because this is where I always put my watch list or my scanning software. So let's just delete these. Let's leave this one. Let's go delete. Oops. Oh, this one, sorry. Delete. All right, so now since we're pretty good, we can go to personal, and you guys can put in your watch list or your scanners, or you can go public and you guys can go percent change gainers. So let's just do one of mine. Let's just go stock talk. So last Friday, these were the stocks that I previously traded, and I always keep them together just so I keep an eye on stocks that I have traded. And how to scan for stocks is very easy. You go to scan right up on this top bar here. You click scan, and this is where you can put in all of your filter stuff. So I already have one, so let's just go pre-market 1, 2, or a Momo or gap up market hours. So you guys can click on it, and then you click scan, and then all the stocks that meet that criteria are in it. So let's go back here. Let's go to charts, and how to connect these together. You're going to want to make sure this is on red. So as you click on, let's do AWX, everything all loads up. So now this is where you will most likely want to change the time duration. So you're going to want to make it, if you're a day trader, you're going to want to make it on daily, and then go to you're going to want to ultra day, sorry. You're going to want to make it 1 minute, and then however long you want to do it, you guys can just do it today, or so let's just do 2 days, and then okay. So you guys can see where the past 2 days where the stock's traded, and as you click on different ones, it all pops up the same. So IHT, very important things right here. So let's change this one to 5 day, 5 minute, and you guys can draw out your support and resistance lines like such. You go to drawings, drawing tools, and this is how you do a horizontal line. So if let's say I wanted to mark out the high at 682, all you do is just click it, but let's say I wanted to draw a trend line. You use this one, and bam. So let's go back on to this side. So let's see if we can add a scanner. So how you do that is you go to Watchlist right here, and you go to Personal, and then these are all your scanners. So let's go to Pre-Market 1, and then how to change if, let's say, you only wanted to look at certain things up on top. You can add, all you gotta do to add is just double click, and then to get rid of one, you double click. So that's just for education purposes. That's just leave it like this, and we want to make sure that this is on red. So let's see this. So like we're doing, let's mark out those highs. All you do is just do that, and let's mark the lows, and that's how you do that. And let's go back to drawings. There's another way you guys can get to drawings, is right here, and you just go and you click on whatever one you want. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to be talking about is the kind of perks and benefits here on this. So, there is many benefits. A lot of people like this because they have level 2 and it's free. So you guys can, mess around with this however you like. And then over here they have time and sales, which is very important. Whoops, didn't grab it. And you guys can put that off to the side like such. And then you can always minimize this so you have a bigger setup here. And if you want to get rid of this chart right here, all you got to do is just click chart, and that will disappear, and then you guys can make this even with that, so it kind of looks more clean. And let's say you like how this is set up. All you got to do is go to setup, save workplace, and let's just go YouTube and click save. So now let's say you want to go add it or bring up that this kind of workspace. All you gotta do is click YouTube, and bam, and that's how you do it, and it loads up, and then you're good to go. So now let's talk about adding studies to your stock charts. So all you got to do, it's super easy, is you go to studies right up here, and you can go quick study and just add it, or you can, let's go back here, or you can go edit studies, click on it, and you will get a little more in depth, and then you guys can search. So let's just search up VWAP. Let's add it, and then this is the coding thing. So all you do is you double click it, and you can apply it, and just to see how it looks. And if you like it, you can click OK. If you don't, you can remove it. So like remove all right here, or you can go to this little settings icon and click X. So let's just add it, and then let's add the 2 simple moving average lines. So you got to go to here, and let's go simple moving average, double click, let's add 2, and let's change one, let's leave one at 200, and then let's change one to 90. So you go to length right here, and you add 90, and let's make this one a different color. Let's make this red. So okay, apply, and as you guys can see, it already is in. So down here we have our simple moving average lines, and then up on top we have the VWAP. And those are all very important indicators. You guys can add the RSI or the MACD, whatever you guys would like to do. Alright, so let's go to settings here. So now this is the chart settings. This is, another very important tool for you guys. You guys can figure out which stuff you guys like. If you get, like I was talking about, this is another way you can access the time. You guys can edit your times. your appearance. If let's say you want to change the tickers to yellow like that, but we're just gonna leave it green. And let's say you want to have these like the red, how they're filled in. All you gotta do is go fill up, and there you go. So let's click apply. Let's move it down. Let's zoom. Oh, we can't zoom in. We have to close out of this first. So let's zoom in, and as you guys can see now, the green candlesticks are filled in, which is very nice. All right, so next we're going to be talking about how to place alerts here. So all you got to do, whoops, I just clicked on the Trendline. All you got to do is go here, and you're going to want to left click. Not letting me left click. Oh, because I'm doing a hotkey setup. Okay, because Control 1. Okay, so for the Mac, I'm used to doing this on a other computer here. But for hotkeys, if let's say you want to get to anything, if you want to get to the charts or the scanning, all you gotta do is click Control 4 for the Mac, for the MacBook users, and then if you want to get back to charts, it's 6, which is, and then you guys can go to, for setup, you go to here, this little settings icon up on top, and you can look up and find hotkeys in there. I don't really mess around with hotkeys because I don't purchase stocks on this trading software. I use SureTrader, but I mostly use this for the time and sales and the level 2. So then the next thing for alerts, I can't seem to, okay. So for alerts, all you gotta do, if you're on a MacBook, is click Command and the the click button, and then you guys can go to create an alert, or you guys can go buy custom, however you'd like. So let's just create an alert up on top. And now this is where you guys can, if you want to see if it breaks $6, let's go 602, and or you guys can just put it in right here, and then you go create. So now if it breaks that $6, you're going to get notified. And you guys can also make it where if it goes to $6, you can place a limit order or a stop order, however you like. Same idea. Command and click, and then you guys can go buy custom with stop. And as you pull up this, you click confirm and send, and you can mess around with this stuff here. So this is saying to buy the stock at $6 and sell it at $5 as your stop, but we're going to delete that. And so let's go back to the settings here up on top, chart settings. Let's go to this is another important thing. If you guys want to change your volume color, you guys can make it any color you'd like, but blue's a pretty common one. I didn't talk about this. And if you guys want to change the chart grid color, you can use any ones you want, but we're just gonna leave it. And this is what I'm gonna put it to. This says if you have an increasing volume, it's green, decreasing is red, or if it's neutral, it's that dark white. And this right here, you guys can change your type of chart style. So let's click apply. So now everything is kind of how we like it, and so it's pretty good. That's what I wanted to do. Let's make sure this is good here. Fill orders, fit patterns. Okay, general. show alerts, we want this on. And if you want to just show the arrows only, you can set it there, but I like to show that whole alerts there. So we want to show symbol logo, we want that on. We want to show trades on. And if you want to overlap the volume, all you gotta do is click that and now click apply, and you'll see the difference here. So as you click that, now the volume is overlapping the chart, but I always feel like that gets a little too confusing, so we're gonna go back and click apply. So let's wait for that to load up, and there we go. So now it's kind of separating. You guys can see it a little easier. So let's click OK. So now we're good. So now if that stock goes above $6, we're gonna get notified, but let's move it to 92, and then we're gonna click replace rate here, because I would like for you guys to see that it does alert you. So let's just keep moving it down. Let's go 90, replace. Okay. And all right, so there is a alert set that it went over that 87 area where the alert was set. So it's pretty simple. You know, ThinkorSwim is a very easy platform to use, and once you get the hang of it, it kind of everything flows together, and you guys can have a calculator here. I don't use that. I have one on my desk here. Then you click delete if you don't like it, and you can always move this wherever you'd like. So, and then the if you have a MarketWatch account, you guys can link them together and make trades. Just like you guys can add your watch list on MarketWatch to the ThinkorSwim platform, so they're all connected. It's very easy to use. Here's tools, and then they also have, if you're new to the trading, they have an education area where this is, they have courses and stuff like that. So if you want to start a course on stocks, you can click there, and then they have all kinds of good stuff. So, and then this is kind of your orders that you have out, your working orders, filled order, cancels ordered, and stuff along those lines. So there is a lot of great things on this ThinkorSwim trading platform. That's going to be it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, remember to stay happy and stay positive. Peace out.